Have you been trying to create a perfect YouTube banner, but every time you're struggling with the measurements, it's never right. You have to start over and over again. Well, today this is going to end. I'm going to show you how you can create the perfect YouTube banner for your channel. And we're going to do it using a free tool, Canva. So let's go. So I'll show you how to create a banner for YouTube, for your YouTube channel. You know how the dimensions are very particular, and if you don't have the right dimensions, it's gonna really mess up your banner, and it's not gonna fit for all devices because it needs to fit for your cell phones or laptops and desktop, etc. So the easiest way, you go to Canva, you go to create, and you want to go to YouTube banner. So once you're here, the first thing you need to add is going to be the rulers and guides. So for that, you go to files, you go to settings, and then show rulers and guides. You can just simply just click on Shift plus R to turn them on or off. And once you have them, you just want to add four lines, two vertical lines and two horizontal lines. So the vertical lines are going to be set at 508. So here we said 508 for the first, which is going to be right here. And the second one, we want it to be at 2052. So we'll just bring it right here, 2052. And for the horizontal ones, we want, so horizontal, we want 931 for the first one. So it's going to be right at the bottom here, 931, right here. And the second one, we want it at 509. So here we're going to put it at 509 right here. And then from this point, you would just want to put everything inside the middle box right here. So you might want to change the color of the background. So you might want a darker color. Don't worry, like when you download the banner, the lines won't show. It's just going to show you here to guide you. So what you can do from this point, you can add some elements. So let's say you want to add a graphic. So you're going to put everything inside here. You can add your text. Here, let's add a text. So add whatever you want to add. So I'm going to put, I don't know, write work less and whoops, and leave more. And I still didn't get it right. Here you go. So you can do that. You can add your okay, you can add your face. So you can upload a photo of you. Let's say, I don't know, I'm just gonna add that one. I have Canva Pro, so I can literally remove the background if I want to, of any photo. That's pretty handy. I highly recommend. Canva is just time saver, truly. So once you made it the way you want, you're just gonna go to share here at the top right corner, and you're just gonna download, and that's it. You download this and it's fully ready. So the final product, if I just want to show you the final product, once it's it's downloaded, it looks like this. So then you can go to your YouTube channel and add the banner. I'll show you where you can do that. So when you're on your YouTube, you go to your studio right here. Actually, you go to your channel. So view your channel, you just click here. And then you can customize your channel right here. So it's going to take you to your studio. And here you have the banner image. So you can change it right here, remove, change to whatever you want. And that's it for the banner creation on Canva. I sure hope this video was useful. If it was useful, please don't forget to give me some thumbs up and share this video with someone who will need it, because when you create a YouTube channel and you're starting out, it's always useful to have the right information so you don't waste your time. So if this is helpful to anyone, don't forget to share, give me some thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I'll make sure to drop more videos about tips and tricks on creating a YouTube channel the right way and easy way. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.